baby elf on the shelf has arrived. And it looks like she brought a little carrying case. A Travel Pets Puppy Dog Pals series. 3 Travel Pets, the Translucent Edition. They're so cute. Puppy bones. So it says Travel Pets, collect them all. Comment down below which one you think we're gonna get. I hope we get the gold one. It looks so unique. Okay, let's open it up. Whoa, there's this. Whoa, there's 2. That's insane. Okay, let's take a look at this. Whoa, so these are all the ones. So it says, find the rare figures. Oh, they're so adorable. Comment down below which 2 you think we have. Okay, let's open up this one first. Oh, look at him. He has a cute little glittery head and little glittery feet. Wow, he's so cute. Here's the other one. Whoa, he looks amazing. He said, roar, 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 roar. He's super duper cute too. Okay, let's see which ones. Oh, I can't believe it. Look, he's one of the rare ones. Can you believe it? I know, I sure can't. Oh wait, he's not actually, my mistake. They look the same. This one has glitter. So he is the translucent Arf! Now let's find this guy, the glittery one. Okay, I don't see him here. Maybe he's back here. No, I'm super confused. I can't find him anywhere. Okay. There he is. Oh, how cute is that? Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sporella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.